What are the benefits of using Vicks on your feet?
In this video, we're going to discuss the various benefits of using Vicks VapoRub on your feet. From soothing symptoms of the common cold to providing relief from certain skin conditions, Vicks has a range of uses. Let's explore some of these benefits in detail.
Can Vicks help with cough and congestion?
One of the most popular uses for Vicks VapoRub is to help alleviate symptoms of the common cold. By applying Vicks on the soles of your feet and covering them with socks, the product's key ingredients, like menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil, are absorbed through the skin, providing relief from cough and congestion. This method is particularly popular for use at night, as it can help you sleep better.
Can Vicks help with cracked heels?
Vicks VapoRub can provide relief from the discomfort of cracked heels. The thick consistency of the product helps to moisturize and soften the skin, while its key ingredients may help reduce inflammation and speed up the healing process. Apply Vicks to your feet, focusing on the affected areas, and wear socks overnight for the best results.
Does Vicks aid in relieving muscle aches?
Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, Vicks can help soothe tired, sore muscles. When applied to the feet, Vicks can provide relief from aches in the lower legs and feet. Gently massage Vicks into the affected areas to help increase blood flow and promote relaxation.
Can Vicks help with athlete's foot?
While not a cure, Vicks VapoRub may provide some relief from the symptoms of athlete's foot. The product's ingredients have antifungal properties that can help reduce itching and inflammation. Apply a thin layer of Vicks to the affected areas twice a day and wear breathable socks to help manage the symptoms. In summary, using Vicks on your feet offers several benefits, such as alleviating cold symptoms, soothing cracked heels, relieving muscle aches, and providing relief from athlete's foot. As with any product, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions and consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist or worsen.